Hey, what's up, y'all? I got a few grills here I was gonna show, kind of advertisement, and also announce that I'm changing the name of the smokers to Country Built smokers. Everybody calls them Allen's Weldings, and people say that guy on YouTube, but I'm changing the name of them. I need a brand name for them, and now I have it. They'll be called Country Built Smokers and Grills. And the ones I have here now, they're already tagged and everything. And one of them is, it's a reverse flow, but it's a bigger version of the one I've been doing. I've done a few of them, and I'm just gonna go ahead and have one now that's kind of a standard thing. And so anyway, let me show you what we got here. This is the big one. It's reverse flow. The same type that you're used to seeing that I've been doing. And one of those are over there. But this is a bigger version. You can see the tags on it, Country Built. The vents are also tagged. If you can see it behind that expanded metal. But anyway, this is the bigger version of it. On this one, the chamber is 40 inches long and 20 inches wide. This one is also built out of 1/4 inch steel. The vertical chamber is 20 by 20. Let me get all this open. It still has the 4 racks in it. It still operates the same way. There's the vent back there that can open and close into this chamber. And it makes the racks bigger. Like I say, this one is 1/4 inch, but I do them with 3/16 also. And all the racks slide out and everything like normal. Ash pan, coal basket, and firebox. This one also has the propane starter, wood lighter. It has the clamps and gaskets on the chamber door. It still has the removable plates in it down inside with a coal rack underneath it where you can direct grill if you wanted to. And of course, I know I've said it before, but if you wanted to direct grill, you can remove those or use them as tuning plates and open this vent on the side and then close the vent on the firebox. And that way it'll cause a draw to the smoke pipes over here. And this one also has 5-inch smoke pipes instead of 4. It has the burner on the side, it has drains in both chambers. With the 1/4 inch at this size, this one costs $2,000. Now this one, I have to say, this one comes with a 6-inch by 2-inch solid caster wheel. It's a heavy duty wheel, but I can't put the 8-inch on this one. Like these, the 8-inch inflatables, I can't use those because it's too much weight for it. This is a lot of weight on this thing. This is honestly better trailer mounted, but I mean, you can do them either way. So anyway, it will have those wheels on it unless I come across something bigger that can hold it. I mean, it's a lot of weight with 1/4 inch plate. Now with the 3/16 plate, I can go ahead and use those. And with 3/16, it would be 1,800. With 1/4 inch, it's 2,000. That is a lot of smoker right there. So anyway, let's move over to this one. Close the door. This is the one I normally do. On this one, the chamber is 30 inches long, 18 wide, and 22 deep. And the vertical section is 18 wide and 16 deep. It's about 4 foot tall. It has 4-inch stacks on it. And they are tagged with Country Built. This one is 1/4 inch. With the 1/4 inch, this one costs $1,500. With the sorry about that. With the 1/4 inch, this one costs $1,550. With the 3/8 or the 3/16, it costs $1,400. Still has the burner. It's the same setup as that. It's just that one over there is a lot bigger than this one. Not a lot, but a little bit. This one also has ports in it. You can get ports for your thermometers and stuff. They cost extra. They cost $20 a piece. And one of those reasons is because I have to make a plate for these ports to fit. These ports aren't made to fit thicker steel. So I have to make a plate and then drill a larger hole inside of it. You can see there, well, maybe you can. You can kind of see it, there it is. But same operation. You can also, this one has a drip pan in the vertical chamber and a drip pan in the main chamber. And those are extra. Those are $20 extra. It comes with the ash pan and the firebox, but the drip pans are extra. You can't really see it down under that coal rack. You might get a little, you can see it a little bit. But this is a real popular one right here, and it has the 8-inch wheels. It has the wood lighter and the firebox. Drains in both chambers. You've seen these several times. Just not tagged like it is, and with the ports and everything. So anyway, I got one more over here. This is a traditional offset. The same as mine. I changed the wheel pattern up on it and put wagon wheels on one side and 5-inch casters, spinning casters on the other side. This, like I say, it's offset. The chamber is 30 inches long, 18 inches wide, 22 inches deep. It has the 2 racks. It comes with the tuning plates. It has a coal rack down there if you wanted a direct grill. The firebox is about 16 by 16. Got the large vent on it. It has the ash pan and the coal basket. This one doesn't have a wood lighter, but it can be added to it. This one, the way it sits, it has a 4-inch stack on it right there. You can move it back and forth. This one, the way it sits, is $800. You can add the propane. The propane lighter is $50 extra. It'll come with the hose and the lighter and everything you need to put it on there. But this is $800 the way it sits. And these, I do these sometimes in a cheaper version. It's the same grill, but it won't have the gaskets on the doors. It won't have the clamps on the doors, and it'll have one thermostat. I can do that for $650. Everything else will be the same on it, besides the clamps, the gaskets, and one thermostat in it. And you can also add a drip pan to that if you wanted to. It has a drain on the back side. I don't have the valve on it yet. But I just wanted to show these 3, especially since I'm tagging them now. And let y'all see the new tags and everything, the new name on them. And this has been a pretty popular version. I've done several of these because a lot of times people want to make something bigger, a little bit bigger here, a little bit bigger there. So this is going to be kind of a standard version of it. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all see those. This same offset is what I normally use mostly. And man, I love that little thing. I've done all kind of stuff on there. Turkeys, pulled pork, briskets, all kind of stuff. And they all come with tie downs. I put tie downs on them because people come from a long ways to get these things. And so I put tie downs on them now. It makes it a whole lot easier to strap. Bring 4 straps with you. That way you can strap it from all 4 corners and it can't go anywhere. You know, so I figure it's better just to add them on there than to try to charge extra when people want them. But anyway, man, that'll do it on this. I just wanted to announce the new name, show these, and I'm gonna put my email in the description box. If you're looking for a grill, get at me and let me know. Shoot me an email, man. And this ain't the only ones I do. This is some of the main models that I do. But you can look back through the videos. And as I do newer ones, I'm fixing to do a reverse flow that don't have the vertical chamber. And I'll show it whenever I get done. I might do a video on it. But if y'all new to the channel, man, and you're looking for a pit, shoot me an email. I'll put it in the description box. And just let me know, man. And please like and subscribe if you like these type of videos. We'll see you on the next one.